Guys, welcome to Bhanot Talks. Guys, today the trick which I am going to tell you about WhatsApp is really cool one, and I hope that you will really like this trick. Guys, what you have to do is that you simply open WhatsApp. Now when you are in WhatsApp, click on a profile picture of any of the chats in your WhatsApp. For example, if I am clicking on this uh, profile picture of this of my friend. Now here you will, on the bottom you will see 4 icons. In this you have to click on the I button. Now when you click on this I button, guys, you have to click that. You will see these 3 options, which is mute notifications, custom notifications and media visibility. Now you have to click on media visibility and you will see a pop up like this. Now what it says that show newly downloaded media from this chat in your phone's gallery, and by default this is on. Now guys, what this means is that whenever you will receive a picture or a video from this particular friend of yours in your WhatsApp, the media which he has sent to you would be saved in your phone's gallery, right? So this is what happens normally. Whatever picture or video would be you would download in this chat would be saved in your gallery. Now what I want is that none of the pictures or any video or picture which I download in this particular chat should get saved in my phone's gallery. For that, what you have to do is that you have to simply click on no and then OK. Now what will happen now, guys, is that whenever you would receive any video or a picture from this particular friend of yours, that particular video or picture would not be saved in the gallery of your mobile phone. Really cool, guys. So this is the amazing trick which I wanted to discuss with you guys. You can apply this trick to any of your friends' messages, any of your WhatsApp groups. What you have to do is simply click on the profile picture, click on the I button, click on media visibility and select no and then press OK. Once you do this, guys, none of the video or pictures or any kind of media would be saved in your phone's gallery. So this is a really cool trick about WhatsApp profile picture. I hope, guys, that you will like this trick. Use this trick and do let me know in the comments box below, and I will try to keep on bringing such amazing tricks for you. Guys, if you haven't subscribed Bhanot Talks, kindly subscribe this channel, because this is the place where you will get the information which really matters for you. Thanks for taking your time out, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.